What if you could start a home decor brand complete with product ideas, supplier matches, and even lifestyle photos just by chatting with an AI? That's exactly what Accio Agent does. In this video, I will show you how I used Accio Agent to build a minimalist home decor line from scratch, from concept to sourcing, all in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. So first off, what is Accio Agent and what does it do? Accio is the world's first AI-powered sourcing agent. You describe what you need and it breaks down your project, runs research, designs product visuals, and connects you to verified suppliers. It's like having a designer, sourcing expert, and business analyst all in one chat. Let's build a real example together. I'm starting with a brand idea. Say I want to start a minimalist home decor brand called Calme Studio. Modern, minimal, and nature-inspired pieces for cozy spaces. I go ahead and I ask Accio, help me design a home decor line featuring handmade candles, ceramic trays, and textured vases with a neutral color palette. And just like that, Accio gets to work. You can see exactly how it starts thinking and generating the entire brand idea, the entire product concept, and everything else that I need for my brand to start on the right track and for me to then go ahead and look for my ideal suppliers and products. Another thing about Accio Agent is that it does advanced AI image generation. So Accio's AI image generation feature instantly turns your description into realistic product visuals. It creates design variations, packaging ideas, and even lifestyle renders, perfect for pitching to partners or testing on social media. I can even upload a quick sketch or photo of a bestseller and Accio will reimagine it. Say, turning a plain candle into a sculptural one that fits my Calme Studio brand. So I'm doing exactly that. I am giving it a few ideas for candles that I want for my lifestyle brand, and it generates AI images that would fit my brand and the exact products that I want to build. So these are great for posting on social media to kind of tease your brand before you start, and they're also really great for giving you an idea of the exact photo shoots and video shoots that you might want to do with your products once you have them. Now, once you have the brand concept and the AI images to get you inspiration, it is time to look for the right suppliers for our brand. So I ask Accio, find verified suppliers for eco-friendly soy candles and ceramic trays. Accio's powerful supplier vetting taps into 26 years of exclusive Alibaba data to run background checks and deliver verified, relevant supplier matches. Then, with one click, I can send detailed RFQs to multiple suppliers at once, no manual copy and paste, no endless tab hopping. So once you give it the exact products that you want to search for, it provides an entire list of products of verified suppliers that can match your product ideas. So your job now is to look for the exact suppliers and products that you love for your brand and get in contact with them so you can talk to them and make sure that they can produce the product in the way that will make you happy for your brand. All suppliers are verified, so it is a reliable platform to go on to search for suppliers for your business, no matter the niche. And then another thing that Accio does really well is offer business insights and competitor analysis. So before you go ahead and order samples of the product that you like, make sure to go ahead and ask Accio this. What are the best-selling home decor items this season? Accio pulls competitor data, bestseller trends, and price ranges, so I know exactly where my brand fits. It's market research, sourcing, and design all connected. So if you found some suppliers and you found some products and you want to make sure they are in trend right now and people are searching for those products, you can ask Accio this and it will give you the most detailed information you need. Now, why is it worth your investment? With Accio Agent Pro, you can turn your brand idea, like Calme Studio for example, into a real sourcing plan in just a few minutes. It gets you so much closer to fulfilling your business dreams and actually starting your brand and start making sales because it provides the most accurate data, information, and suppliers out there. So if you've got a brand or product idea, whether it is fashion, gadgets, home decor, Accio can help you source faster and smarter. So make sure to try Accio Agent Pro today with a special discount code that you have in the description for this month. Start your chat, describe your idea, and Accio Agent Pro takes care of the rest. If you could build any brand with Accio, what would it be? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!